You're annoying. What's up, everybody? Amateur Hour Restoration here. Herb and Dave. I'm Herb.
I'm Dave.
Yeah. So today we're going to be working on the spring relocation kit on the 57 Chevy frame. It's a $100 kit. I got it from eBay. It seems to be, do what?
150.
No, it was $100.
Oh, I thought you said 150.
I'm pretty sure I know what I paid for it. It was $100.
Well, you know,
okay.
You know what you're doing. That's fine.
Anyways, the frame or the kit is fairly well made. We'll show you as we go along. But we do have a guest. James from Midwest Tool Review is here again today. He wanted to play around with the plasma cutter. So all we need to do, I already did one side, but what we need to do now is cut off these frame out. You're in the way, David. No, I'm going to smack you. You need to cut out these frame mounts here, or the spring mounts here and on the back there. And then we're going to go in and weld in a washer on the inside because the hole was about 1.5 inches wide. We're going to go in and just weld a washer on both sides to kind of center the hole up a little bit so we can get more accurate measurements. But we're going to go ahead and get started. It's all you, Dave.
What is it doing?
Is the air hooked up?
You got the air hooked up?
Yes, the air is hooked up. The power is on.
Well, it's not liking it. Turn it off, turn it back on.
What's it not liking?
Yeah, I don't think it's got the air pressure. What is it doing?
Well, apparently we don't know what we're doing.
There it goes. Look like you can set up on one thing. Your frame is really bad right there. Your frame is really bad right there. Right there, because it's blowing through just normal. Yeah, so. Yeah, I got it.
Of course you do.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty bad right there. Yeah, let's see what I can do with that one. Yeah, we'd be better off cutting that with a cut off wheel on the bottom.
We need to go in here and just cut it off right there. And I can grind it all out.
Yeah, I want to.
Take care of that.
I'd rather just cut through with a cutting wheel with that.
Huh?
If I blow through, it's going to cut right through the frame.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Cut this part.
Oh, you want the L out? Break your favorite screwdriver? Huh? Yeah. Well, oh, you're kidding.
Yep. So we basically just cut off the outer leaf spring out here and here, floor up here. We'll go in and patch that in later. But for what we're doing right now, it's not necessary. We're gonna put the socket kit in here, and we'll go in and patch that in later. And back here, we'll get that one cut off. I have a top piece here, I'm gonna notch out a lot of this. So we're not going to need to do anything with that either, I don't think. So,
Why don't we
for now, we're going to go ahead and
slide that forward?
yeah, we can do that. We're going to weld the washer in here to center that up a little bit better for the bolt hole. Oh, okay. Oh, you don't. So if you look down there, we already did it on the other side. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see that. Yeah. Just to center the hole up to get an accurate measurement. Yeah, because it's got to be like 50.
All right.
What are you getting today?
It's a welding mask. I need to turn back on the right shade for
Who gave you a hard time?
my sister. Yeah, my sister loves me. Where's okay, quit talking, go get the washers.
Right there in front of
Yeah.
You got to go over there and plug the welder in anyway.
Oh, what the? I'm the welder.
I'm occupied. You come back over here. Yeah, the magnet is right there on top of it. It's right there on the registry. Yep. Should be able to just let it sit there. I was just having trouble. My finger kept getting stuck in it every time I pull it out.
Yeah, that's
Zip it.
yeah.
Zip it.
It's not surprised at all.
That's good.
Your finger getting stuck in a washer. You probably drive a nut up on your pinky too, wouldn't you?
So,
Zing.
yeah.
You would.
Yeah, just put switches on the back. It's already good.
Oh, I didn't realize this was regular.
So, no, you can plug it into that extension cord. It's 220.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. We don't need it though, right?
Not for this.
Okay.
What's the here, hold this for a second. Yeah, we're doing 2.5. So
Okay.
I'll give you that.
Got the ground. Knock my phone over. Make sure you still got a good picture. Don't want to look like a bunch of amateurs.
I saw that.
I didn't try.
Where do you want it?
To the metal. I don't care. It's just someplace clean.
You can hold it on there too.
Just hold it one hand and grab the frame with the other. Ready?
Good.
Good enough.
Look.
Somebody turn the gas off?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it's all right. It don't matter. It's
A little bit of
it's strong enough for that.
yeah. Just a little bit of ferocity in there.
Oh, I know what I'm doing now. I think that's a mark center line the hole.
Need a marker or?
Well, you want to? Are you confident that's what you need? Are you confident about this?
Well, let me give you a rundown what it is. I'll granted the
Yeah, let's give the viewer. Yeah.
just give you a rundown. So, like I said, I did this the other day, well, a couple weeks ago, just messing around with it, but I tried to center up the hole here, and then just marked the inside and the inside, and then I brought it up here, marked it.
You marked
Measured.
that on there, or you marked the outside of it.
The inside, I think.
So I need to cut on. You need to cut on the outside of the black line then.
Cut right on the line.
Yeah. Okay.
I figure we cut it. And I figure if we cut it, I'd rather cut it.
Well, I mean, this is exactly what your piece is. See how you cut it right on the line. We're just going to do a bunch of trimming, so we should be fine.
It'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
Good way to lose a finger, Dave.
Oh, whatever. Oh,
I'll take that metal gun.
don't like that.
I need to use it. I guess. But I'm not my friend. I actually need some.
Well, I know. I need
Oh, you do because you got to patch up, right?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Oh, there, Dave. I think that's actually going to come to that point. It should come flush right there.
What do you mean?
Like this
Yeah.
this isn't going all the way down.
It's going to sit on top of it, probably.
Oh.
All right, let me see it.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
So we got like a lot to trim out. Yeah, it's going to be quite a bit.
Do you think trim it out or just grind it out?
I'll
You grind it back.
I'll probably
to the
go with
line?
the blade width on both sides. Time for you to make a executive decision.
Why?
Because I don't think the other frames have that brace in there. You know what I mean?
I'm assuming that's a sleeve.
No, it only goes back the width of my finger. Put your finger in there, you can feel where it stops.
Yeah. So it's sitting right on it. The bolt goes in now. Everything looks really nice. So you see where it's. Do you want me to cut that, smooth it, then we'll just clean that off?
I think that these are too tall anyways, so they have to be cut down anyways.
I know, but do you want me to trim this, set it down flush back here? Then we'll put some tacks in it, trim that shit off, and make it smooth. That's what I would do. I would come here and I would clean up. I would clean this edge off. Let it push down flush to where this is matching up with that. When you weld it, we can clean it and it'll be like seamless. So you good with that then?
Got a 1/4 inch off of it.
Yeah.
You don't want to sit down.
Well, I'm gonna 45 it.
That's what I'm saying.
To start with.
About a 1/4 inch up here, though.
Well, I'll just 45 the edge of it first and see what it does, what it looks like. You know what I mean?
He had to knock off about a 1/4 inch back here, Dave. I heard.
Oh yeah, I had to bring it away. Well, I mean, better to take it off than have to add it back in.
That's what I said when I marked it. I think I marked it like right.
You're like, you'll be right in the line of fire.
It's just a matter of it.
Okay, so here's the question.
Where's that? Where'd that light go?
Yeah, it'd be nice to know if we're actually touching off the frame on the bottom of that. You know?
Yeah. Let's wants to do some trimming there or something. I don't know what's going on with that. In. Yeah.
Yeah, but it'd be a little high. It's not gonna hurt there.
I'm gonna just trim it up some more, get a little more flush, and be done with it. You want?
Let me get some of those again.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Her's about to get on there. I don't think I've ever seen her well before.
Not many people.
Stand back.
Okay.
I'm also an amateur at this.
Okay.
Oh,
So you can we just go like down to here on both sides?
weld any place I'm gonna be grinding off.
Well,
I don't care what you weld.
No, I'm saying usually where it's flush.
Where it's flush,
Yeah, and then
start welding back. Focus on this, walking into the thin.
yep.
All right,
How about we get that bolt out of there?
just leave that bolt in there.
It's gonna damage my threads like it did my other bolts.
Oh my Jesus! Where's your thingamabob?
Yeah, what thing, Bob? I don't know what that is.
Hammer.
So you're gonna hear my thread.
Well, give me a nut to put on the end of it.
Huh?
Tell you what, you stick your finger over the end of it, and I'll use your finger as a nut.
I don't need that. How did the rest look?
Oh, perfect. like I machined them myself
So crap.
with a Fetty head that you don't know nothing about because you quit being a machinist.
I know what a Fetty head is. I set up a couple.
You didn't set up the ones I got. Big monsters.
On the new Brits?
Yeah.
I set up one of those.
You didn't put no Fetty head on New Britain. Because we didn't have none until I did it. I had to bore the saddles and everything.
What kind of dies are on there then?
Winners. Salvos.
So, but
The air ones are winners. The salvos are mechanicals. Yeah. A Fetty dies from the, or forms from the front.
On the ZPS. I set those up.
No. I guarantee you didn't, because we just ordered the Fetty head for ZPS. Because we didn't have one.
I'm pretty sure we already have one.
You're talking about die head that went up and cut.
Yep.
This forms.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
This goes up and forms the thread.
Is it a Fetty?
Yeah.
Is it a head?
It's not a cutting head though.
It's a Fetty.
It's totally different setup. You have to be way smarter for the forming threads. Hey, put some gloves on. Gee, many Christmas.
Saying the person that never wears any helmets.
I got it on, don't I? Now to listen, I burnt my finger 20 times.
My hands about 20 times. It does suck though. It's down in there.
I know. I've had that one for a week, and it's just bugging the crap out of me. Little bitty baby one. It's like a paper cut. Just hurts.
You go. Maybe. All right. Good. Keep going.
You gonna push it well? Or you gonna pull it? I'm gonna push it. Okay.
What?
I'll pull it.
I'm just coughing, clearing my throat, bud. I'm just clearing my throat, bud.
Everything I'm doing here, I've learned on my own. Should I pull it?
No, do what you want. I don't care. I go either way. Depends on what I'm welding.
Oh shit.
Focus on the heavy metal.
Yep. Maybe I should just let you use a little.
Let's focus on the heavy.
It's not so bad.
Spend more time on the heavy than walk into the light real fast. You know what I mean? A little ease.
You gotta get it on there.
What are you doing?
It's not. There you go.
So you want to do the
So, my.
He shows it on camera. Wow.
I am not a professional by any means.
none of us are.
And they know, yeah. You see my wells.
See, that is much better than mine. Yeah, much better.
I think he's fibbing a little bit.
Yeah.
He welds.
Well, might as well give a little rundown on the welder here. Like I said, ordered it at yeswelder.com. It does 110, 220. Comes with the adapter. Just plug in the 110 to the 220. Comes with the. It came with the hose, right, Dave? I just had to buy the valve.
You had to
right?
buy the regulator.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you can buy the TIG torch.
Yep.
But it definitely comes separate.
Like I said, you can run MIG. The TIG is not aluminum TIG. It's
No, because it's got to be AC/DC polarity.
yeah. But yeah, I just get on here and figure out what thickness I'm doing, or roughly. Put it over here on thickness and adjust it to that, and it automatically does the rest of the work. Oh.
Get that plasma cutter out of the way. I'll
Yep.
stand over there.
It's the 205 DS. Yep. So like I said, I was welding with that flux core, and I was just struggling with it. And I got on Facebook Marketplace and was trying to find a cheap Miller or Lincoln or something like that. And like the cheapest one I could find was like $500 used. So then Dave, you were the one. Yeah, you sent me this, right?
Yeah, cool.
Huh?
Fire the welder back up.
What'd you do?
The thing, they crimp it, the nut. Well, it came loose. I said to turn.
It's going to be way too high now.
What? No, I want it up high for this. No, do it straight.
No gloves. No welding mask.
No, just don't tell my sister.
after he was yelling at me about my gloves. All good?
Yep, should be.
What's up? No, it's right on there. So you got like hooking your bolt together. Like what you Oh, really? Yeah. No, they won't work for that. You have to go to Dollar Tree.
Did you shut yours off then?
Yeah.
It's off.
Okay, it's been, I think it's getting hot or something maybe.
Okay, we'll have to go to Home Depot or the hardware store. We'll have to. Yeah.
Yeah, this one's about to fall off. It's not even touching anything.
I wonder what you sell that.
Let's go to Harbor Freight, get some more tips.
Still got weight there?
Huh?
I moved this over. You still got weight on there?
Yeah, it was actually. Yeah, because it kept going off. I'm like, who's that? I called it. Did I get a package? Who's the price? Jesus, tell her to stop buying stuff. Yeah. They think they're a job and you think you won lottery or something.
You have more
Hanging
cutoff
right behind-
wheels?
Right behind the plywood. Yeah. It just hangs right here. Sits
Oh, okay.
on
I'm
those
sorry.
all the way across. There's one that's already been used, or you want a new one?
Do what?
So there's one that's half gone, but you want a new one?
I'm down to my last one, so.
Oh my goodness.
Shop back at. Yeah, that's some kind of nastiness, isn't it? Send it in there as far as it'll go.
pretty effective, isn't it?
Huh?
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah.
effective.
That's why I make templates.
So
And start backing up,
Okay.
then it don't heat up good.
come on in, Charlie.
Okay. That's good to know. I didn't know that.
What's that hammer at?
I wonder what's the high and low switch for.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. It's over
You got a
there.
thermostat setting
Yeah.
on it?
Hammer.
Yeah, I can set it all the way from anywhere from 50 all the way up to like 90 degrees.
I don't know.
And it's got a little pressure regulator valve
Dave.
in the back, and it's got a little switch that says high and low.
I don't know what the high and low would be.
Take
Oh, that
it
actually
easy.
set
Yeah.
way better. Yeah, that fit really well.
Well,
That's not coming back out.
now you're not worried about the frame flexing no more?
What do you mean?
Well, I thought you said it flexed a little bit once you cut into it. or
It sucked in,
Oh,
came that way, but
oh.
I'm not too worried about it.
That fits really good.
Oh, that's perfect.
Small one back there, or you want to?
I think that's good because I mashed that thing down.
Okay. Yeah, it never moved, even when
Yeah.
it on the front end.
I think we're good to zip it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it there. What? That's it. Another piece of plate. Oh. They call it fish plate or whatever.
Oh, yeah, well, that'll end up all get cut out and put a new piece in. I ain't sweating that too much.
Yeah. That looks good. That fits so much better.
Yeah.
I like that.
So who's doing the welding this time?
I don't care.
Do we need to grind this right here down to make it flush?
Yeah, we get some tacks in it first to hold it.
You want to tack it in like right here?
Yeah.
Maybe down here?
And, 2 tacks right there, quarter tacks worth, and you can zip that thing in right there.
Yeah.
right. Now, I'm gonna throw some sparks right at you, so careful. Yeah, well. Yep. Giving me eyeballs for? So what are you giving me eyeballs for? Back on.
Looks good to me.
In there.
Moving on, I think.
Yep. Get a leg over there. That's that one knee.
What do you think, David?
Looks good to me.
You guys see me touch the hot spot?
I saw you shaking your hand.
Right here on the side. Like, oh man.
Now we're going to put your welds on here.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Anything you want to point out
Lots of undercuts.
before somebody else does?
Fairly hot too many starts and stops. Yeah.
And it was turned up too high to begin with, you
Yeah, it's
think?
a little bit. Yeah, down here, and then
Yeah.
I kind of started, you know. And I was remembering what Dave was doing. Dave was doing a much wider
Yep.
path, and so then when I did that, which is about right in here, or somewhere in there.
Yeah.
So it was
Yeah, that one right there
yeah,
looked really
started
good.
to correct up a little bit
Yep.
more.
Yep.
Yeah, but
It's like Ed always says, it's only metal, right?
yeah. Don't like it, grind it out.
Yeah, we'll grind it out.
Yep.
Yep. All right, well, I think we're going to carry on. Did you miss some?
No, I did that one, yeah.
Yep. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to call it quits for tonight. We'll probably pick it back up tomorrow, but we got the pockets all in, welded in. Still got to go through and grind them. We got these here welded in. Well, we tack welded them in. We still got to go through, cut this channel here out, put this piece in. It should be good after that. Spring will go in there, just like that. So it went a little quicker than I thought it would. Still took about half the day to get that done. There was a lot of grinding, a lot of cutting, a lot of measuring, making sure we put it in right. We did measure them out, and they're within 1/8 of an inch of each other, so I think we'll be good there. But we'll attempt to get the rest of this done possibly tomorrow and try to get this thing off to the sandblaster. So we'll catch you later.